We're at 2754 Llewellyn in Dallas, Texas. It's I think it's a 3-2 here. Converted one-car garage into a bedroom of some sort. Decent. I mean, it's an okay exterior, but inside it's totally trashed out. Roof is caving in. All the sheetrock's falling in. The flooring completely needs to be gutted because it almost fell through a couple places. But let's walk through here. Next door neighbor lady, Jordan, she's lived here for 60 years. And she came over to say hi. But I had to go in through the back. Could be a nice house. Just needs a lot of work. It's in the backyard. And you can see tarps up on top there. You have that spot there on the side too. The HVAC is still here. The owner had to be a previous barber, I believe. So this is the kitchen. Ceiling's all caving in, roof is all bad. Come in here, the converted garage. This looks like it was converted. Once again, roof's caving in. It's converted into a, it's an entertaining room or bedroom. There's a closet there. Let's go through here. Oh, be careful. Floor falling in. This is the main living room. Let's get to the back bedroom. Once again, all the floors all dipping. Bathroom. Another bedroom. Oh. That's the front door. That's it.